This video is going to be an unboxing and review of the Makita 18-volt brushless X Lock grinder. After discovering the extremely rapid tool-free disc changeout system and backwards compatibility of the discs that keep the discs competitively priced, I just had to try one of these for myself. I'll catch you after my channel's intro. It's going to be a bit of an unboxing and review video today. An old battery powered grinder bit the dust. So it's time for a funeral. Moment of silence. Alright, what I found today, went to go replace it, and I was willing to buy pretty much any brand I had battery packs for. So Makita, Ryobi, DeWalt. Of course we don't have a Lowe's here, so that brand was out. So go to the store and find a bunch of these X Lock discs. What is an X Lock? So I get to investigating. I'd already shopped around, found a grinder I was about to buy, new grinding discs that was on the list as well, and come back over there and found this. Wasn't behind the bars where you have to get an employee to go get it for you. So I was like, hey, let's look at this a little closer. And I realized this is the X Lock grinder. They do make two corded versions, but this is the battery powered one. It's tool free, so you don't have to use the nut, and you don't have to go buy the expensive ones that's got the nut already on them. So let's give it a shot. Alright, what's in the box? Oh, cut-off wheel, grinding disc, instructions, the grinder. You've got a shield for cut-off wheels, shield for grinding, the handle, and that's it. Get that off there. Put the handle on. Handle's on. Alright, I'm going to go put the battery in until we put disc on. What this is, handy little device. You flip the lever, those two teeth pop up, put your grinding disc over, I'm trying to do this backwards and forwards and upside down. There it is, it pops right in. So we'll review that. Take your disc, the tool, those teeth are already popped up. Get them lined up here. We'll have to cut some of that out. Okay, how come this doesn't want to fit? Alright, so you got your teeth up, or locking paws we'll call them. Get your locking paws up from flipping the lever. Get your grinding disc, line it up over there. You can see that. Pops right down. There you go. Ready to go? Oh wait, gotta use the safety device. Oh, those are keyed. Maybe. Have to edit some of that out. There it is. Oh, buggers. Ah. Alright. Also, tool-free guard install. There it is. Just gotta press that little button in there. There it is. That's awesome. A quick demonstration of how the X Lock discs are backwards compatible. This is a standard grinder with the arbor and nut. That's installed. Of course, we'd have to tighten it down. And here we go. That's installed. Alright guys, I'm going to pause this video to ask you guys to please like, subscribe, and share. Recently made it past a small milestone of getting 100 subscribers. Several of the videos I've posted just this year have already made it past 200 views. Let's keep this going and get the algorithm working in my favor. What I want to talk about is the cost of these. You're getting about an extra disc for the cost of 2 normal grinding discs. Same with these guys. And same with the flap wheels, you're getting 3 for the price of about 2. And in some cases, if you buy the ones with the nut already on them, you're getting all 3 of these for the cost of 1 of the others. A quick demonstration of how quickly you can change discs on an X Lock. That's it. That's it. Went from grinding, cut off, and flap disc all in that one video. In addition to grinding disc, cut off wheels, and flap discs, they also have a variety of wire wheels available. For the review portion of the video, I find that the Makita 18-volt brushless X Lock grinder, there's a mouthful, but I find this grinder to be highly useful. The rapid disc change out, I like to change the discs when I'm in the middle of a project. If I'm going to need to be cutting metal, I change to a cutting disc instead of abusing the grinding disc. When I'm grinding, I change back to a grinding disc instead of abusing the cutoff wheel. If I need to do some smoothing of metal or smoothing radius and shaping, I'll use a flat disc. I also use a flat disc at work. That was the main reason I purchased this, is because I already use these batteries on the Makita battery powered sanders at work. I find these tools to be highly useful. I would definitely recommend it. The one downside is currently they do not have any ability for you to put your standard grinding discs on this grinder. They do have wire wheels available for this grinder, and they also have a sanding disc. Standard looks like almost a standard backing plate, but it has a special, what I would say, replacement nut, so your sanding disc is held on with the X Lock connector. That concludes this review. Thank you for watching, guys.